for Sebastian Wayne Drake Rogers. Sebastian is a 15-year-old white male, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 120 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Sebastian was last seen on February 26, 2024 in the area of Stafford Court in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Sebastian was last seen wearing a black sweatshirt, black sweatpants, and glasses. Sebastian has a medical condition that may impair his ability to return safely without assistance. If you have seen Sebastian or have information regarding his whereabouts, please contact the Sumner County Emergency Communications Center at 615-451-3838 or the TBI 1800 TBI-FIND. Here are some 4 p.m. observations from around the area.
Actually relayed that quicker than I thought they would.